What is up? I'm back in Cheyenne picking up some railroad stuff. So it's one piece right here. This thing, for anybody that does not know, it's called a frog. A frog. I was like, booking this load, I was like, a frog? What is it? Like a freaking plastic decoration of a frog or something? No, they're like, this is a rail. It's where the train switches tracks. So I got that going to Kansas City. And then with my where did my oh man, I left my bungee over there where that guy's loading. Oh well, I have a bunch more. And then after that, booked the load to River something, not Riverside, but Riverbank, California, from St. Joseph, Missouri. Steel trusses, 61 feet long, so I'm going to be putting on flags in the back. Paying pretty good, but the delivery is only Friday. Today is Monday. Delivery Tuesday on this thing tomorrow, Kansas City, and then pick up St. Joseph, Missouri, and then delivery on Friday. But hopefully I can do it Thursday. Truck's a little dirty. She's running good. Got the check engine light on. She's very fuel efficient, which I scored on that. That was my hope on this truck, is get this baby to be fuel efficient. All last week I was running sorry, one sec, like 8.6, and then dropped down to 7.5, and then going through I-70 mountains got down to 6.9. And right now I resetted it. My last fuel stop 7.2, but I was going 75. I'm gonna go like 70. So I get really good FPG on this truck, which saves a lot of money. I think I'm gonna do like pickups and deliveries only. This morning I didn't do a delivery video, forgot, too much tarping. I'm not gonna do any driving videos, they kind of seem boring, so I'm just gonna show like what I'm picking up and delivering. All right, so here's my load that I'm taking to California from Missouri. It's 61, they said, feet long. It's pretty long. So I kind of parked it like that. I'm gonna pick it up and just set it down in my truck. Gotta figure something out with my tarps. Should be pretty interesting. That's where my trailer ends right there, and then this is gonna be sticking out about like so 4.5 feet, 5 feet maybe. So after about 30 minutes of messing around with this, we got it loaded. It's a little too close for comfort right there. A little too close. But honestly, I don't think if I hit any really big ditches, I don't think it should do anything. I got like 2 fingers in there. A little too close for comfort, but we should be good. Gonna start strapping it, put my tarps in the middle and 2 big ones on top. Yeah, look at that, look at this gap, almost barely anything. It's because the trailer is bowed. We should be good here. Like, yeah. Now I gotta drive 1,700 miles with this. That should be interesting. Okay, let's get to strapping it. Finally, after some time, got everything all strapped and ready to go. That took a while, man. Let's go to California. Got everything strapped up. Now I asked the forklift driver to shift the load more to the back, because as soon as I got out of that parking where I was parked at, it started touching my cab. So I had to untie everything, and now we're gonna see if we can shift it back. Oh yeah, nice. This is almost by Cheyenne, Wyoming, I-80. Man, it is such good weather. I am wearing a shirt, and it's a little bit, the sunshine is a little toasty too. Feels so good on the skin. I love it. Church right there at a truck stop. There's my truck. Super nice weather for Wyoming, and it's not even windy. Well, right now here it's not windy, but who knows what's gonna happen over there. More west. Load's all good. Everything's all right. No problems. She's looking good. That's beautiful. I don't know if that's smoke or fog or just clouds. I think that's that could be clouds. Looks like they're coming down from that mountain over there to the valley. That looks good. That looks good. So that was fog. It was foggy for a good 60 miles. Dense fog. Luckily made it out of there. Got to TA. The load here looks good. Looks good. Nothing fell off. Yeah. Looks good. Gotta go take a shower, and I got 2.5 more hours of drive time. Probably get into Utah. Man, it's chilly. Gonna either run the truck tonight or crank up the Wabasta. That sound cannot be good. Coming from inside the motor. Well, the official day has come when I broke down. Luckily I drove it to the shop and now we're having a mechanic look at it. But my fuel pump broke. And I'm on a hot load right now. We'll see. It's hailing right now. Meanwhile, my truck's getting fixed at the shop. I'm here in a hotel. Decided to go check it out. Heard some knocking on my window. Looked out and it was hailing, so decided to go outside. That's a pretty sweet view though. Saturday, Dave Sheerick, Wyoming, Nevada. I replaced my fuel pump. Replaced that. Replaced 2 of these because you have to every time you replace it. Took that off, cleaned it up, had to drain the coolant, refill it. I need to go get a new filter. Yeah, I gotta stop by and get a new filter. That looks not good. But yeah, brought it in here Thursday, 4:30 p.m. Today's Saturday afternoon. They got it done, finished. We're gonna see. It's probably, I know it's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. Man, it's never perfect with this business, you know. You make some and you lose some, and all this stuff is expensive. The labor is expensive. I called the dealer about that fuel pump on Thursday. They said it was $2,500. $2,500 for that thing over there. Back at it again. Got out of the shop. Paid $4,200 for a fuel pump and labor. Yep, it's pretty expensive, but it is what it is, you know. Gotta get back out there, grind more, get that money back. But Dave Sheerick did a good job. I had a check engine light, but after they installed a new fuel pump, the check engine light went off, which is makes me feel better on the inside. All right, finally at the job site. Dirty, muddy. Had to pull a U-turn right here. Now backing up in some direction that they want me to. We'll see. So all these boom lifts have socks on them. Not for traction, but not to mess up the concrete. The concrete from for this Costco. What's up, everyone? Next load we're doing is pallets going from Tracy, California to Yakima, Washington. A full trailer, full 53. pallets right there. So just past Goldendale, Washington, where my buddy Andre, he's got a cabin over there. Me and him were up there about 3 weeks ago when I was over in Troutdale, I think is what it's called. And yeah, pretty sweet place. At my delivery, it's a big apple place. So these pallets are for a bunch of apples. And yeah, almost unloaded. People. Getting loaded. With lumber in the Seattle Tacoma ports. Somewhere over there. You can kind of see the cranes going to Salt Lake. This was a puzzle in itself, coming here, getting into this place. I drove around like 2 times to find an entrance, but we did it. A load of lumber, strapped and ready to go. Just delivered that wood load from Tacoma, Washington to Salt Lake City, and got to the truck stop, and looking at the load board, there's like no loads out of here today or tomorrow. So that's pretty discouraging. Honestly, sucks. But hopefully something comes up either today or tomorrow. We will see. Good morning. It's Friday, the 9th of February. Loading up right now. Bunch of decorative block or brick. Snowing pretty heavy in Salt Lake. And I'm heading to Fort Collins, Colorado. Deliveries Monday. Not sure how I'm gonna strap these down. I hope they're like wrapped pretty good, because I don't have any long corner protectors. But we'll figure something out for sure. What's up, everyone? Monday. Spend the weekend at home. Made it to Fort Collins. There's the location where I have to deliver. Just unstrapped. Gonna back up into their yard, and that's it for this one. Thanks for hanging out with me that long, and see you in the next one. Peace.